Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 43, 44 and 45 of class 8 subject GK. Flightless birds. Birds fly with their wings, but some birds are flightless even with wings they cannot fly. So let's try and guess the name of some of these flightless birds with their picture and information given below. First one, it is the world's largest bird and only one with two-toed feet. So what is the name of this bird? It is ostrich. Ostrich, ostrich. Second one, this bird lives in New Zealand forest where they come out to feed in dark. Their wings are dark but their hair like plumage provides protection from the rain. So name of this bird is kiwi, Kiwi, kiwi. It is an Australia's tallest bird. It feeds on seeds and insects and can be serious pest on farm land. It is emu, E-M-U, emu. Fourth one, it breeds on Antarctic ice. This bird can dive up to the depth of 840 feet to find fish and krill to eat. It is penguin, P-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Fifth one, these are small ostriches and live in an open plains of South America. They have brown plumage and live in flocks. It is rhea, R-H-E-A, rhea. Did you know tigers not only have strips on their fur but also on their skin? No two tigers can have the same strips ever. Chapter 44, Volcanoes. First one, volcano is a rupture on the crust of earth that allows hot lava gases to escape from below the surface. Second, volcanoes are generally found where tectonic plates are diverging or converging. Third one, hot spots is the name given to areas where volcanoes are believed to be formed. Fourth one, there are more than 1500 volcanoes that could be active today. Example, Mount St. Helens in USA. Fifth one, volcanic rock is formed by the solidification of molten lava or magma. Sixth one, world's largest volcanoes. Tamu the most massive, Mauna Kea, the tallest, Ojos del Salado, the highest. Next, chapter number 45, Social Reformers of India. India has a rich history of social reformers who have helped to form the foundation of modern India. Below are the pictures and jumble name of these famous personalities. Rearrange them and write their correct names. First one, it is Vivekanand. Write Vivekanand, Vivekanand. Second one, Dayanand Saraswati, Dayanand, Dayanand, Saraswati, Saraswati. Third one, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Raja, Raja, Ram, Ram, Mohan, Mohan, Roy, Roy. Fourth one, Mother Teresa, Mother, Mother, Teresa, Mother Teresa. Fifth one, it is Baba Amity, Baba, Baba, Amte. Sixth one, it is Jawaharlal Nehru, Jawahharlal, Jawaharlal Nehru, Nehru. Seventh one, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. dot B.R. Ambedkar, Ambedkar. Eighth one, Annie Besant, Annie, Annie, Besant, Besant, Annie Besant. Ninth one, Jyoti Rao Phule, Jyoti, Jyoti, Rao, Phule, Phule. Tell me what did Annie Besant and Baba Amity do, because of which they are known as social reformers? This is your homework. Okay, children, you have to complete in your GK notebook. And chapter number 43 you have to complete in your textbook on page 50. You have to read chapter number 44, volcanoes, on page number 51, and you have to complete chapter 45 on page number 52 in your textbooks only. And the homework is, tell me what the question which is written here in your GK notebook. So complete your work and learn the names of these social reformers and the flightless birds. Okay, children, thank you.